Now, I mentioned that our crews install the technologies. So after our people do that work in your turnaround, we would then return with the process engineers, gather fresh data, run it through the same system again, and come back to you proving the benefit, your performance, your relief in production and operations, and also gives you the ability to, frankly, prove that the turnaround spend was a good idea. So think about IGS as a menu of technologies that can provide relief to your production limitations and extend your asset life. And since we're the inventors and the evaluators, we think that we should also be the applicators. I think you'll find our approach to be very thorough. Our technologies are very reliable and have been in play for many years, and that relationship of our process team to yours will be well suited for years to come.